Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to create thread on your server, on your account, on Discord, easy and quick. First, go to your message which you want to create a thread on it. Click like this, and here you will find create thread. Click on it, and here as you see, type your new thread, and that's it. That's how to create a thread on your server, on your account, on Discord, easy and quick. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you, and thanks for watching until the end, and see you in the next video.